Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I've got some rhinestone Frenchies for you guys, so come on in, sit back, relax. Remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Hey y'all, I'm using a 60 grit hand file and I'm blending the nail tip to my natural nail. I have on these Stiletto half cover tips, the same ones I used in my last video, and I will have these linked below. I'm adding one bead of nude polygel to my nail, and this is from the brand Makartt in the shade French Press. I'm also using an acrylic brush dipped in 91% isopropyl alcohol, and isopropyl alcohol is used to help you mold the polygel because it is very sticky. So if you don't have that on your brush, it's going to just stick everywhere and you're not going to get the shape you want. And you can use a polygel brush if you'd like, but I just have been trying out using an acrylic brush lately, so that is why I use one.
Turn the music up. It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up one time, wind it back once more. Come run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move. And rock it to the groove. Done, shake it to the movie comes the sun. Everybody in the club, and me a run, run. If you ready to move, say it, yeah. One time for you.
Because these are stiletto nails, I need my nails to be sharp as claws. I'm using my 60 grit hand file to sharpen the nails by filing the sides, and I really like to make sure that tip is really nice and sharp. Everyone's different. Some people might want a slightly rounder tip, but mine need to be super sharp.
Rocking them through. Let the bass from the speakers run through your sneakers. Move both the feet and run to the beat. Come run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move. And rock it to the groove. Done. Shake it to the moon because the sun. Everybody in
I'm going in with my Melody Susie e-file and using my barrel drill bit. This is about, I think, a medium coarse drill bit. I'm going to double check real quick. Yes, I was correct. It was a medium grit drill bit. So this is the ceramic one from Melody Susie, and this has multiple uses, but I use it to do surface work and just to file the nails and make it nice and even. So this is the absolute most tedious part of the set, and it came together so nice, but I'm only going to be showing you how I did one of the fingers, because if you see that middle finger, that took me like 20 minutes to do, and that would be a super long video if I showed every single nail. So I'm actually using the Makartt Rhinestone glue. I'm using the brush version. There's different bottle types that they have, and then this one's really great for precision. I'm drawing that like initial French tip line right there because I'm not going past that line, and I'm adding a thin layer of rhinestone glue because when I add the rhinestones one by one, I don't want them slipping out of place, and I'll be curing them after I do each section.
Just like mine, it takes its sweet time. I've been trying to dive into the deep end, cause I don't really want to lose a good friend, but I might find something divine. It's electric every time we touch. I feel living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much. Can't get any more.
It's not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back at one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold.
So this is actually the next day because it took me 2 days to do those rhinestones. I am now finished with the nails and I'm going to apply some no wipe top coat and cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with the ooze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with the ooze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a cool. I take your bit right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls loose. Hop in the frog. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches just national smash tray. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe. Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, she a dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a river.
Falling on the roof now. Ooh, baby, tell me why'd you have to go? This pain, I feel it won't go away. And today, I'm officially missing you. From this heartache,
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys loved how these bling nails came out. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
and I